Okay, today we are at the courtyard at Lakewood, which is an assisted living facility, and here we have 70 screens that we completed for them. They needed emergency service. We came right on out and take a look at the size of this building. They had 70 of their screens that they needed replaced, and we took care of all of them. And there they are. The courtyard at Lakewood. Okay, here we are at the courtyard of Lakewood, assisted living facility here in Lakewood, New Jersey. And here are the 68 window screens that were rescreened. The one door screen that was rescreened has already been taken upstairs.
Hi.